another video with Millie Horrocks.
I got a blackberry.
Today we're taking a walk up Park Hill, and we're just going down at the moment, and then we're gonna be on road. Yeah. Jump here. Go. Is that scary?
No.
I'm just gonna do it in a parkour manner. Fuck.
That wasn't really parkour. No.
I'm imagining. Ew. Sorry, we just picked fresh blackberries. Really don't do that. Be careful. Okay, look at the walk we're doing right now, and we're about to go through our den up here. Basically, well, it's kind of. It's where we. It's where we go if it's raining up here and we can't be bothered to walk all the way home. And I need a pee because I didn't go before I left the house, but oh well. Ah! It's so slippery. Millie! I'm gonna fall! I'm falling. Fuck. I fell. You okay? It's really slippery, so you need to be really careful because it's dry. Millie, be careful, there could be a thistle. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm falling down the hill. Falling. You're right. Oh, good. We're about to go through the magical tunnel that we love. Oh, fuck, Millie, I'm going to fall again. But I'm going to leave, I think. Oh, shit. Sorry about all the swearing, but oh well. Oh well. Let's go through the magical blackberry tunnel. Come on. I want to show them. Okay, go down this way. Or not. Ow! I definitely did not just fall and break my wrist. Well, I felt like I broke my wrist, but I didn't, so that's good. Now we have to walk down more grass. And we're probably going to hurt our arse. Oh, fuck! I fell over again. I'm not sure. Arse, are you okay? Arse? Talk to me! Oh, wait. Arses don't talk.
Whoa! I just fell.
Whoa.
Look at me! I fell.
This is really dangerous, but YOLO. No. Okay. This is going to be a short video, but I'll do a part 2 when we get back. Okay. Oh, that's lovely.
Right.
Basically,
We've already walked all the way up there, down there, and through the magical tunnel. Look at these black. Oh, look at Mary. That was not mine. I don't want it.
So basically, when we get onto the road, or just before we do, I'm going to do an end, but I promise there will be. Shut up. There will be a part 2.
Look at me.
Oh. Can I have one? Actually, I don't want one. Okay, we're going to end the video here, but there's going to be a part 2 when we get back to the village. I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.